Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be designing this connecting rod for engine in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK as we are working in the part file. From here change the background to plain white, and here make sure that you are working in the right units. I am working in millimeters. Select your front plane and click on sketch. Now for reference, drop down this menu and select this midpoint line and create a midpoint line at this origin. This line will be used for the reference. Select this line and make it into construction geometry. Select this line again and assign the vertical relation, and as you can see this line has become vertical now. Now select Smart Dimensioning tool and here specify the length of this line as 201.2 millimeters. And after that select here circle and make here two circles at this top end of the line and bottom end of this line. Now specify the diameter for these circles. I am specifying the diameter for upper circle first. The diameters are 45 and 38.8 millimeters. So you can specify these diameters one by one. 38.8. And now specify the diameter for these lower circles, which are 57 and 72. So one by one specify the diameters. And now I want to create lines that will be joining these circles. Actually I do not want this line to be linked like this with the circle. So we have a solution for that. Make a line from this point to this point so that it does not connect with the circles. Now hold Control key, select this point and the circumference of the upper circle and make this coincident relation, and same at the bottom. Make sure to hold Control key, select these 2 points and assign this coincident relation. Make sure that this line will have angulation like this. Now select mirror entities, select this line and mirror about window, select this center line, and this line will get mirrored like this. Now select Smart Dimensioning tool, select these two lines and here specify the angle between them as 6 degree. And now press escape button, then select these 2 points while holding the Control key and assign this horizontal relation. And after that select Smart Dimensioning tool again. From this point to this point, here specify the distance as 20 millimeter. And now from here select this midpoint line and make a line here like this. And now select this trim entities and select here power trim and select this lower area of the circle. Select this line and this line. Now check the box, and now this sketch is ready to be extruded. So in feature select your extruded boss base, and after that select this mid plane and here specify 38 millimeters. And now we need to select this area and this area of the sketch and check the box from here. We need to extrude the same sketch one more time. So expand this, select this sketch and now select extruded boss base, and here you need to specify mid plane. The length of extrusion is 18 millimeter this time, and in this contour we need to select this sketch. These are basically 2 clicks, and as you can see the base geometry is created. And now let's create some more. So on this face click on sketch, and here we need to select this center point slot and create a slot like this. And now let's specify the dimensions. The length of this slot is 90 millimeter and the radius is 8 millimeter. So specify here the dimensions, and now we need to cut it. So go to features and select here extruded cut. The depth of extrusion is 4 millimeters, so select here blind and here specify 4 millimeter, and after that you need to check the green box. And before moving any further, let me specify some appearance for better visualization. This is an optional step. You can skip it or you can assign any appearance you like. Now I need to make the same slot on the back side. So either you can make a sketch and cut it, or you can mirror it. You have both of the options. I am going to mirror it, and here I need to select a plane which basically cut this part in half, and here I need to select this slot, and as you can see this is get mirrored on the other side. Now select here fillet, and here we need to specify the radius of the fillet, which is 1 millimeter, and select this option and this option again, and same on the other side. We need to fillet these edges, and after that check the box from here. Now we need to select the fillet again, and this is not the edge, so delete it from here. We need to select this edge and the other side as well, and here we need to specify the radius, which is 22 millimeter, and as you can see this fillet will get created. Now select the fillet one last time again, and select this edge and on the other side as well, and here specify 40 millimeter as the radius of the fillet, and after that check the box from here. And now we need to create a plane. So in reference geometry, find a plane from here. Now select this bottom surface, and we need to specify here the offset distance, which is 30 millimeter. So specify 30 millimeter as offset distance and select this flip offset because we want to create a plane here. Now select this plane and click on sketch, and after that select this center point straight slot and create a slot here like this. Now we need to specify the dimensions. The length of this slot is 76 millimeter, and the radius is 9 millimeter. Now we need to select circle and make a circle here and here as well, and the diameter of these circles are 9, but before that select these two circles while holding the control key and make relation equal and assign the diameter 9 millimeter. Now go to features and select extruded boss base, and here specify up to surface and select this bottom surface, and as you can see this extrude has been applied. Now hide this plane because we have nothing to do with this plane anymore. Now we need to cut this area, so select this and click on sketch. Select this area and select convert entities, and as you can see these lines, this geometry has been created automatically. Go to features and select extruded cut, and here we need to specify through all because we want to cut this area through, and as you can see this cut has been made. And now we need to make one more fillet, so select here fillet and here specify the radius as 3 millimeter. Select this edge and on the other side as well, and check the box from here. This connecting rod is now being created. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.